Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal 20 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So if I'll take this 2 power x as common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 20. So this becomes 2 power x times 3 equal 20. So 2 power x times 3 equal 20. If I divide both sides by 3, so this will cancel out. So 2 power x equal 20 by 3. Now I am taking log on both sides. So log 2 power x equal log 20 by 3. So I am going to use log property. First on left hand side it's log a power b. We can write it as b log a, and log a by b we can write it as log a minus log b. So let's apply both. So it becomes x log 2 equal log 20 minus log 3. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 2, so x equal log 20 we can write it as 2 times 10 minus log 3 by log 2. Now as per log rule, log a times b we can write it as log a plus log b. So x equal log 2 plus log 10 minus log 3 by log 2. So x equal log 2 by log 2 plus log 10 by log 2 minus log 3 by log 2. So this will cancel out. So x equal 1 plus log 10. I can write it as log 5 times 2 by log 2 minus log 3 with base 2. So x equal 1 plus log 5 plus log 2 by log 2 minus log 3 with base 2. So x equal 1 plus log 5 by log 2 plus log 2 by log 2 minus log 3 with base 2. So this 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 5 with base 2 minus log 3 with base 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.